Solutions, bringing you another room tour. We're in Niagara Falls. We're staying at the Embassy Suites on the Canadian side. So let me go ahead and show you the room. When you walk in the door, it's kind of a luxury suite. We're on the 41st floor, and you kind of pay a premium price because we have a view of the falls. So when you walk in, you have this nice couch and ottoman, but the couch turns into a double bed that sleeps two. You've got a nice picture of the falls. You have a table that you can work on, which is probably where I'm going to be editing videos this week. You also have a nice television and a cabinet to store things in. As you walk through, you have a door that separates this, so you can make this a separate room. As we continue on into the hallway, we come into the bathroom. The bathroom has a single sink, nice mirror. When we open up, it has a toilet and a nice stand-up walk-in shower with shampoo, conditioner, and body gel. But the Fiesta Resistance is the whirlpool, a two-person whirlpool, which is really nice, and it's got windows that open up into the other part of the room, which also gives you a view outside. As we come in, you have a wet bar here that has a coffee maker, a microwave, a very large refrigerator for a hotel. You have a little sink area out here, probably for women to do their makeup and stuff. And when you walk into the main room, you got a king-size bed. Like I said, you have the windows that overlook the jacuzzi tub. You have a nice big TV. You have a closet with a safe. They provide you an iron and an ironing board. Two comfortable chairs, end tables, and I don't know how well you'll be able to see this, but this is our view. We are overlooking the Horseshoe Falls on the Canadian side. I'll also try to get you a day view because the day view is absolutely incredible. So with that kind of concludes the room tour. Say hi, Lori. We'll be here 11th. We're planning on doing the Maid of the Mist, the jet boat, and who knows what else we'll get into between now and then. So as always, thank you for tuning in to Working for Vacation. Please subscribe, like, and comment. We appreciate everything you do. Thank you. And here is the view during the day.